I'll show you something super beautiful blooming in our garden. No, not that. That's a Camarops humulus palm that I grew from seed. Isn't that a beauty too? Nice big fronds on it. That is definitely beautiful. But I'm going to show you something more beautiful from Africa. And now that we're fenced, we've been fenced for several years, the deer cannot eat it because the deer would destroy all the flowers on it. You know, I just come out here to enjoy them and those frickin' varmints would eat it. So let's go have a look-see. And it is in full bloom. There's still more flowers coming on it down here in the palm plantation. Right here, Crocosmia Lucifer. Isn't that a beauty? Look at that. The flowers on it are spectacular. You know what? The hummingbirds absolutely love this plant. So this is, I believe it's from South Africa. And they do call it Crocosmia. And it's very drought tolerant and the flowers are just brilliant. We have another one here. This one I think is orange. We have a bunch in the upper garden too. That one hasn't started blooming yet, just because it's more in dappled light, but there's lots of flower buds on it. But this one here, hey, check her out. And that's what the flower buds look like right there, ready to open. Oh, there's hummingbirds right there. I hear them. That's beautiful. Hummingbirds are here year-round, by the way, on Salt Spring Island. So if you don't have a feeder, you got to grow something in the winter that blooms they can enjoy. All right, so try one in your own garden. Crocosmia Lucifer. They call it Lucifer, I guess, because it's red, but pretty beautiful plant. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Plant these guys in full sun, well-draining soil. Cheers.